A meteorite, in its simplest form, is a rock that falls to Earth from space. They may be seen as rocks, however, they are not nearly the same as the rocks you can find on Earth. Meteorites contain elements and information that have traveled further throughout space than any human has before, and if you were to get your hands on one after it strikes the surface of the Earth, you may have just found yourself a bit of fortune. Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another exciting video. Today, we will talk about the major revelations on meteorite hunting and explain how discovering a meteorite could make you rich. As I'm sure the talk of money has sparked your interest, make sure you stay with us until the end to find out how this could be possible for you. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video update from us. With that said, let's get started. Scientists rely on meteorites for information about the evolution of our solar system, since they are ancient bits of these celestial bodies. The analysis of meteorites has aided our understanding of the origins of our solar system, how galaxies and asteroids have evolved, and how big meteorite strikes have influenced Earth's history and life on our planet. Every meteorite originates from within our solar system. The majority of them are asteroids that split apart long ago in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Before crashing into Earth, such debris will circle the Sun for a long time, often for millions of years. The largest meteorite ever discovered weighs over 60 tons. Smaller meteorites that are around the size of beach rocks or even as small as a granule of sand have also been discovered. The most fascinating feature of a meteorite may appear to be its spectacular impact on Earth, which is frequently in the form of a brilliant fireball as it burns through the atmosphere. Scientists, on the other hand, spend their lives researching meteorites because they hold a 4.6 billion year record of our solar system's history. We can learn more about how our solar system developed into the sun and planets we see today by examining meteorites, as well as how a meteorite strike may affect us in the future. A new industry in asteroid mining could be part of our future, where individuals seek out element-rich asteroids in space in which they can harvest and sell them to collectors for their natural resources. To understand why this business can lead to great wealth, we must first look as to why asteroids in particular are considered valuable. The asteroid belt lies between Mars and Jupiter, and it is made up of millions of asteroids, all having a combined value of nearly $700 quintillion. This is due to the fact that some asteroids may contain massive amounts of raw elements that are extremely uncommon on the surface of the Earth. Gold, silver, palladium, and, perhaps most intriguingly, platinum are examples of these precious metals. In 2012, the platinum mined from a small 30-meter-wide asteroid was projected to be worth between $25 and $50 billion at current market value by a business called Planetary Resources. One platinum-rich asteroid alone could contain more platinum than humanity has ever mined from Earth, which, if implemented all at once, would likely cause the price of platinum to plummet. However, practically all electronic gadgets we use would be far cheaper as a result of this. About 1/4 of all products produced on Earth contain platinum group metals, which are currently exceedingly expensive but would no longer be under this scenario. However, future space miners would be hunting more than just platinum. 2 to 3 times the global production of iron-nickel ore could be found on a giant asteroid with a diameter of 1 kilometer. And the asteroid 16 Psyche, which is quite massive, might meet the entire global demand for nickel iron for several million years. These asteroids have the ability to provide civilization with an almost limitless supply of these extremely valuable raw resources, and the companies that provide these limitless supplies will enjoy massive financial rewards. If you were to start one of these businesses, you might not even need to look as far as the asteroid belt to locate one that is worthwhile. So far, almost 15,000 near-Earth asteroids, or NEAs, with close orbits to Earth have been identified. The most precious of them has so far been identified as 162173 Ryugu. It measures over 1 kilometer in length and is valued at nearly $83 billion. This asteroid is valued roughly the same as Starbucks' entire company. In addition, the Japanese government had planned to send a probe there in December 2020, which will return a valuable sample to Earth. This is because the asteroid's closest approach to Earth was on December 29, 2020, Then it will be close again on June 3, 2025. Anyone looking to find and sell a meteorite for a large payout should look at this example that shows how much one can really make. Joshua Hutagalung lives in North Sumatra, Indonesia. One night, a meteorite burst through the top of his residence, then this 33-year-old became $1.8 million richer. He was able to collect the massive meteor that weighed 2.1 kilograms and was estimated to be 4.5 billion years old by specialists. The meteor was identified as CM1/2 carbonaceous chondrite, a very unusual kind of carbonaceous chondrite. According to a Metro UK story, each gram of the meteorite is worth $853. The stone was still warm when I lifted it, so I carried it inside. The noise was so loud that it shook the rest of the house. And, after searching, I discovered that the house's tin roof had shattered, Joshua told local media. I have a strong suspicion that this rock is a meteorite, which many people refer to as an item that falls from the sky. Because it's unthinkable that anything was thrown or dropped from above on purpose, he continued. The odds of this event happening to you and becoming rich overnight are very slim. However, that doesn't mean you shouldn't hunt for your own meteorite and collect on its fortune. When we look at our moon, it features millions of craters, indicating how frequently large asteroids pass through our solar system and strike its surface. Craters would blanket the Earth's surface as well, but many have vanished due to geologic changes to the planet's surface over the years. Nonetheless, we know that Earth has been struck by big meteorites on occasion and will definitely be impacted again in the future, and then it could be your chance to take in a valuable space rock. So, that is all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit the like button, then share and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know your thoughts on meteorite hunting and how you could become rich from one in the comments section below. We will be back very soon with a brand new video. Until then, take care.